Am I a juvenile delinquent? I'm a teenager. I'm young at heart and mind. In this position, I'm carefree. I enjoy doing nothing but to drink the wine of pleasure. I seldom go to school. Nobody cares. But instead, you can see me roaming around, standing beside the jukebox stand, playing the nerve-tickling sound of rock, strolling in the park with my fellow running for life to keep from the eyes of policemen. Why did this happen to me? One day, I asked my mother to teach me how to appreciate the values of life. Do you know what she told? Do you know what she told me? Arlene, stop bothering me. Can't you see? I have to dress now for my mahjong session. Some other time, my child. I turned to my father to console me, but what a wonderful thing he told me. Child, I have to go for my overtime work. Here's some money and enjoy yourself. Go to your teacher and ask that favor. But in school, I hear nothing but the echoes of my teachers torturing me with these words. Oh, you stupid idiot! Why waste your time studying when up to now you can even divide 100 by 5? Go home and wash dishes. Without knowing where to go, I went to the park to see beautiful things around me. I hate school. I hate home. Perhaps the birds and the trees can console me. I love to see the green grass, the doves flying, the blue skies, and the clear streams of the bay. I was so excited to see all these things. But, oh my God, what happened to the park? Look! All I see is pile of garbage, beggars, dirty children, young and all alike, scattered by food. What has happened to the sea? Dirt and all forms of waste are floating on it. Where will I go now? I am empty. I want to be consoled. Hey, young girl, would you like to join us here? We're having our party. Come here. I joined them because I needed company. Yes, they made me a thief. They made me to steal because I needed money by all means. Policemen are coming! Run, Arlene, run! You better hide yourself. Once they got you, they will surely jail you. So I run, I hide, I stumble. I hide and run with all my might. But I'm tired. I want to rest. I want peace of life. I long for my loved ones. But where are they? Where are my parents who stand as guards? Where are my teachers who stand as my inspiration? Where are the beautiful things that I want to see to comfort me? Honorable judge, teachers, and friends, open your eyes and mind before you